a lot of persons still find it very difficult to do this LinkedIn task right here. So that is why I'm doing this video, just to show you people how to go about the process. There are a lot of LinkedIn tasks that normally comes out right here in the Jumptask section for us to do to earn more. So some persons say that they don't. In fact, a lot of persons do complain they don't know how to do these tasks. Even the YouTube task. That was why recently I dropped a video on how to do the YouTube task and also how to do the Google task. If you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video to learn how to go about the process. Today is just a quick one on how to do this LinkedIn task. All right. So for you to get started, you have to click on it to see the instruction first. You need to know the instructions that they want us to follow. All right. So we'll click on the instructions and then we'll view what they say we should do. Now they said this is what they said we should do. They say click on the start to log in. The start to begin. All right. So here is the start to begin. As soon as you click on this start to begin, you have to start following the processes right here. Okay. So now before we can get started, we need to know the second thing that they said we should do now is to search for the keyword. All right. So now the third thing is what? Find the LinkedIn website in the results. Okay. They say we should find the LinkedIn website in the results. Okay. But I'm going to show you another shortcut way to another way that you can do it. All right. So and then we should press companies and follow the Talos page. Okay. And then afterwards, we should, after following the page, we should locate the last two words in the description. And then once you've located those last two words, then we have to return back to this app now, back to this Jumptask section and insert those last two words that we copied from that LinkedIn company page right here. I hope you understand that. And then after we've inserted it, now we'll click on submit. All right. Then we'll complete the process. But before you continue this process, what you need to know is you have to know the particular company website that they want us to use. You have to see how it looks like. So in order to see how it looks like, you are going to click on this link right here just to have to view a template of how the company looks like. All right. So click on it just to view the template. Let's just see how the company looks like. Okay, now this is the company. Let us zoom it a little. All right, this is the company. So anywhere you see this company logo, be it in the search results, or in the LinkedIn section, just know that this is the one you are going to copy, you are going to follow. Okay, so now that we have seen the template, now we are now going to use go to our search bar and search for the keyword, or and search for this particular keyword right here, because they say we should search for we should follow the we should search for the word Talux in the search bar. All right, now instead of you to go to the search, your Google search, and go and search for it, we can easily do this directly from the YouTube app. Okay, so now we'll just head to our YouTube app and go and search for this keyword. So we'll minimize and then go over to our not YouTube, sorry, LinkedIn, our LinkedIn profile. Okay, so we'll minimize and go and open up our our LinkedIn app and search for this company name, Talux. All right, bear in mind once again that this is the company that we are looking for. We need to see this logo and then we need to see these financial services. All right, so that is Talux. So let's go. So minimize and then search for, go and get my LinkedIn. You can type here LinkedIn in the search bar. All right, this is LinkedIn. I'll open it up, allow it to load. All right, it has opened up. So now I'll just come right here. I'll just come right here and type telux. All right, that search bar is where we are going to use. Okay, type telux. All right, now we have typed telux. Now look at the bottom of this. You can now see that the logo is in alignment with the one that I showed you, right? Good. Now you now click on it. Okay, now we have clicked on it, right? Now you now click on, you can now see follow button right here. Okay, this is where they want us to follow. We'll click on this follow button, but before we click on it, remember they said that we should go and click on start task. So we'll head back to our app and go and click on start the task. See it. Okay, so you click on that start task. All right, now that we have clicked on that start task, now we will now go and start up the task. Okay, we will now go to our LinkedIn. The page we want to direct us to browser, to go and use browser. But instead of using this browser now, the shortcut way to do it, another way to do it is to use the app directly. Okay, so we'll type the app. We'll go back to our LinkedIn app now and do it. Remember that at the end of the page, when once you've located the page, it will now go at the bottom corner, and copy the last. They say we should copy the last words below the description. So let's go back to our page now and do it. Okay, now that you've understood that, let's now head back to our page. So you have to always click on that start task. And once you want to start any task, be it Google task or YouTube task, always click on that start task. All right, I've made some good videos showing explaining how to complete other ones. You can always check the videos I'll be dropping the videos serially at the video description of this particular guide. So now, like I told you, you come at the search corner right here and search for the company name, and then from the logo you should know the company. All right, then let's search for it. So now this is the company. Okay, now it is showing here at the top here, so you click on it. All right, now that we've clicked on it, remember what else did they say we should do? They say we should follow the page, right? So this is the page. I'm going to click on this page. Now I am following it. Okay, so now I'm going to come right here and click on the Talux. It will take you to the full section, to the full company section.
Purdue Pharma once handed out Oxycontin branded fishing hats to doctors'
So it
The
will show the
federal
description of the
offices. In 1999, a physician could walk into a Purdue sales visit and pick through branded coffee mugs, stuffed plush toys, luggage tags, and a music
it will take you to the home section of the company, right? Now good.
CD
Now
titled Get in the Swing with
so what they
Oxycontin.
want us to do now is they say we should you click on this see more right here. Okay, you click on this
One
see
pen
more.
had a
And
pull-out
what they want
dosing
us to
chart
do
tucked
is
inside.
they say we should copy the last two words, and this is the last two word. Okay, this is the last two word. This is this not and this FDIC in short. So we'll copy them and then head back to, you can click it again to take you to the full company profile, right? So the last two word, this is the last two word. Okay, this is the last two word. All right, now so we'll click on it to copy it down. Okay, now I can see that the app doesn't allow copy, so but you can just write it down. That is why they do prefer us to use Google to copy it, but you can still write it down, not FDIC. Okay, this last word is what they want us to write, so we can minimize and write it down. Or if the page is not copying, if your browser doesn't support copy, you can as well, if the app doesn't support copy, you can as well use your Google Chrome browser to do this particular task. Just log into your Chrome browser, log into your LinkedIn account, and just follow the steps that I'm showing you right here. All right, so let me see, not FDIC in short. I can as well type it manually. I can as well type it manually. So I'll go back to the LinkedIn search the LinkedIn section and go and type it manually right here. It's still the same. Now immediately you head back to this Jumptask section now to complete the task. You will click on this start task, right? If you click on this start task, it will want to redirect you to your Google browser. What you have to do is just minimize or just go back immediately, or just minimize and go back. Then it will take you to this box. This box is now going to be highlighted for you to input your those two words that they say you should copy. All right. Now, in case you don't want to use the LinkedIn mobile app, you can always use the browser mobile version. You can always use the Chrome browser mobile version. So for you to access the Chrome browser mobile version, you can as well come back into this Jumptask section. And once you click on this Jumptask section, you go ahead and click on Start Task. It is going to redirect you to your Chrome browser, or if it takes you to your any browser, you can as well access the task from there. But I normally prefer Chrome browser. All right, but always be at the back of your mind that we are copying the last word, because the instructions say that we should locate the last two words in the description of the page. And now we have seen the page, right? Now we can let me show you the second way method. So you click on this start page now. Okay, it's going to redirect us into through our browser. Okay, you can see that now it is no more we are not using the mobile version. Is the browser version that we are using now. So you just wait for it to load while it takes us to the page for us to go and to our browser where we can go and complete the task. All right, now you can see that it has taken us to our browser, right? So I'll now just come here and paste and search for Telux right here. I'll just type Telux right here and click on search and search for it. Okay, now it has taken us to our page. Now we'll go and start looking for it. All right, now we can see the logo. The logo is even right here staring at us. All right, this is the company logo, but they want us to use to follow them on LinkedIn. All right, so now for you to follow them on LinkedIn, now I think you can come down. This is the logo. How about if you click on this logo to see if we will see them, see their LinkedIn profile? Let's click on it and see. But I can see their official, I can see their LinkedIn, their another LinkedIn profile right here bearing Telux at the bottom. All right, so this is the company. This is the company, but yes, this is the logo right here. But let me see if I can locate their LinkedIn profile so that I can follow in order to follow them up through their LinkedIn account. So right here you can see LinkedIn right here. If we click on it, I believe it should redirect us to LinkedIn, to their core LinkedIn page where we can go and follow them. All right. All right, you can see that it has even redirected us back into that page that we used before. All right. You can see that it has redirected us back
Purdue
here
Pharma once
into
handed out Oxycontin branded fishing
Alright.
hats to doctors'
Well knowing that
offices.
we
In
access
1999, a
this
physician could
browser
walk into a Purdue
LinkedIn
sales
profile
visit and
from our
pick through
browser direct.
branded coffee
So
mugs, stuffed
now what they
plush
told
toys.
us, now that we have gotten to their page, now what they told us to do is to copy the first the last letter in their description. So how do you locate their description? You
Luggage
can locate their
tags, and a
description
music CD
from
titled
here,
Get
and I
in the
told you that
Swing
once you
with
go to this place,
Oxycontin. One
take it
pen
down
had
to
a
this place,
pull-out
okay?
dosing
So you
chart
can
tucked
come over here
inside the
now, click
barrel for
on
converting
show all
patients
details
to
right here.
OxyContin.
All right, you can now see this is their total details. That this is their total details, also known as their description. And you can even see that this little button here moved from home section to the about section. So now what they want us to do is to copy the last two letters. So you scroll down, you scroll down, and copy the last two letters. In case you copy this one, in case you copy this one, you can see that this is the last two sentence, right? In case you copy it and go back to your jump task and insert it in that submit button and it doesn't do, then what you have to do now is to scroll down, here and copy this one, copy these two, this term lending. Just copy them. Those are the two words that you need to copy, and then head back to your jump task and go and paste those words that you copied right here. All right, when once you paste those words that you copied right here, just go ahead and click on submit, and then the task will be done automatically, and then you will get the reward. All right, so don't forget what I said, guys. You should try copying this last word, because they say we should copy the last word. In case you try copying this one, you go and paste it right there on jump tags, and if it doesn't work, then you have to come back and try copying this last sorry try copying this last word. Any of them will go, any of them will work out. All right, any of them will work out. So that is basically how to perform this jump tags, this particular jump tags token, jump tags reward that has to do with LinkedIn. Okay, now you can also do your best to watch the other guide on how to perform the Google tags for those of you that asked in the Telegram group. All right, and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you find this video very useful, please do subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, and bye for now.